IIHS Top Safety Pick with optional front crash prevention. This GMC ACADIA delivers a gas V6 3.6 liters/223 engine powering this automatic transmission. Wipers, front intermittent with washers, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windows, power with driver express up/down and passenger express down. This GMC ACADIA features the following options: wheels, 4-20x8.0, 50.8 cm by 20.3 cm, bright aluminum, wheel, spare, 18x4.5, 45.7 cm by 11.4 cm, steel, universal home remote includes garage door opener, 3-channel programmable, transmission, 6-speed automatic, TNM26 AWD model and LGX 3.6 liters V6 engine, toolkit, road emergency, tires, P235/55R20 all season, H-rated, blackwall, tire, compact spare, T135/70R18, blackwall, teen driver mode, a configurable feature that lets you activate customizable vehicle settings associated with a key fob, to encourage safe driving behavior. It can limit certain vehicle features, and it prevents certain safety systems from being turned off. An in-vehicle report gives you information on your team's driving habits and helps you to continue to coach your new driver. Suspension, ride and handling McPherson struts for front and independent 5-link rear, steering wheel, leather wrapped with mounted audio and cruise controls. Visit us today. Test drive this must-see, must-drive, must-own beauty today at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3.